Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to create engaging TikTok videos in 2026, Canva makes it easy even if you have never edited a video before. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to create TikTok video in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. Okay, so important reality check. You have to know that Canva uses the correct TikTok size automatically. Templates save editing time. It works for short form vertical videos, beginner friendly interface. Okay, so complex cinematic editing is limited. Too many effects can look messy. Some video elements are pro only. Okay, so first thing, open Canva. Okay, look into your account, click design or create a design, search for TikTok video. Okay, so swipe social media and look for TikTok video, tap it. So this opens a vertical canvas. Okay, so as you can see here, so on the left sidebar we have templates. Okay, so choose your templates or search styles, like for example trendy, motivational, educational, promo. Okay, so click on template to apply it. For example, templates give you a ready-made structure. Okay, so you can, for example, click videos. Okay, and choose stock clips or upload your own clips or photos. Drag drag them into the design. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.